How to set the side button, double press to open the camera in record video mode on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then we scroll down. And in here, tap on advanced features. After that, we go down and tap on side button. Now tap on double press, tap on the left hand side panel. Then select camera. After that, tap on the settings icon. Now by default, it is set to open camera, but you want to choose record video so that when you launch the camera will automatically goes to the video mode. So let's try it. If I double press on the side button now, 1, 2, sorry. So here it is. So it will launch the camera and then it will automatically select video mode, ready for you to take instant shot or record the video instantly. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.